In this video we are going to review Swedish dish cloths. This is one of the most popular and best dish cloths you can buy right now. We made this review based on its performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, we hope this video will help you to decide is it worthy for you or not. We also mention product link in description below for check availability and updated prices. So, let's talk about Swedish dish cloths. This Swedish dishcloth can clean up messes time and time again. Just throw in the wash after use and it'll be good as new. Perfect for wiping down any surface, our Swedish dishcloths for kitchen and bathroom cleaning pick up spills and splashes like magic. Safe for marble, stainless steel, tile, and wood surfaces, these kitchen dishcloths also work for scrubbing or drying dishes, cups, mugs, sinks, tubs, and showers. Get 10 washable dish rags, available in your choice of blue, gray, lime, pink, purple, watermelon red, white, yellow, or assorted colors. These sponge cloths each have different textured sides, one with crisscross stitching and one with linear stitching for serious absorbency and durability. They're designed to combine elements of traditional hand towels with those of cellulose sponges, and they can absorb over 20 times their weight. Swedish dishcloths dry out very quickly, which helps prevent odors from developing. For details, let's watch more.